COSTWAY portable washing machine. Twin tub design featuring a twin tub washing design. This compact washing machine combines spinning function and washing function as one, which offers great convenience so that you can directly move washed clothes to the spinning tub for saving your precious time. Timer control different from other common washing machines that set a specific time. This premium washing machine is more flexible, which means you can choose the right time: 15 minutes for washing, 5 minutes for spinning according to your different requirements. Large capacity and powerful performance. The total capacity of this portable washing machine is 20 pounds, so that you can wash the whole family's clothes at the same time. Besides, the power of washing is 3,300, and the power of spinning is 110W, which helps you to use it more effectively. Easy operation. Designed with the 3 knobs, includes washing selector, washing timer, and spin timer. This high-quality washing machine is easy to use even if the elderly can use it conveniently. You only need to put in clothes and detergent, set the washing machine to wash,